Hi, this is Eric Allen with the Physics of Consciousness channel. In this video, I will tell you how I came to understand the physics and chemical concepts that underlie this physics of consciousness hypothesis. I also cover some concepts regarding harmonics, resonance, and nodes. I'm shooting this video from my front porch studio outside Cusco, Peru. The question of what consciousness is has been stirring around strongly in my head for the last 3 years. I've had the great fortune to have had access to entheogens during this time. These plants and fungi include sacred mushrooms, ayahuasca, and huachuma, also known as San Pedro cactus. Huachuma is like a South American version of peyote, only it grows faster and it's plentiful here in Peru. Entheogens bring down the walls and cages built by us on our brains. Those cages are useful for us to navigate our daily lives because they limit our sensory inputs and modes of thinking to a limited set, commonly called the default mode network. This subset of consciousness allows us to do everyday things like look out our window, turn on our television, go to work, go to church, or pay our taxes. The television show Limitless with Jake McDorman and Bradley Cooper was based on this very concept, a fictional entheogen called NZT. But in a safe, sacred space, with guides and ceremony, we can journey into the realm of our superconsciousness, where we can experience the richness of non-ordinary reality, conceive of things that are unavailable to us when we're in consensus reality. So in the enhanced reality of entheogenic space, with my intentions, I have asked, what is consciousness? For 2.5 years, I have received some information here and there. It has been like learning some words and phrases of another language. What I realize now is that these were the basics. In the end of December 2019, with 2 journeys with our sacred cacti, it was all tied up into a comprehensive framework that now all makes sense to me. I was very excited and I began writing everything down that I could remember. And that's what these videos are portraying, all of the sequential pieces that explain what, to me, is consciousness. This ultimate understanding began with a ripple, a wave that I saw that began at the base of a mountain here called Pitu Sirai and continued all the way up to the top. The ripples continued a few more times, and that led me to Nikola Tesla's assertion that the Earth rings like a bell. The Earth being a sphere led me to spherical harmonics and the regions between nodes and subnodes formed by interference patterns in the sphere. These nodes can be seen in 2 dimensions when sand is placed on a flat surface over a speaker. When vibrations are passed into the system that harmonically resonate, the sand gathers at the nodes and subnodes. I'm including a short video clip here from another YouTube video that shows that. I've seen maps of the Earth showing where ancient megalithic temples have been built, like Giza, Athens, Göbekli Tepe, Cusco, Easter Island, and many more. We just happened to live outside of Cusco, which was lucky for us. These megalithic sites are apparently located at these nodes. I will make a video later that will talk more about nodes and their importance to this concept. Smaller temples have been built around these nodes, around the earth, which is another key concept in the hypothesis. Nodes themselves do not convey energy. Nodes are anchor points, and thus the reason for the temples close to, but not exactly at the anchor points. Think of a guitar string. The anchor points are not where the energy is disseminated, but rather from the string that is strung between the anchor points, or the nodes. More on this later. These are just teaser points for you to ponder until the next videos come out. I made this video to tell you about how altered, enhanced consciousness led me to this huge cascade of information. And I believe this has significant merit. A framework for understanding where consciousness comes from, what it is, what happens to it when our current lifetimes end, and where it can go when new resonance systems are found elsewhere in the universe. I think that's pretty cool. Anyway, until the next video, if you like this one, please click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and consider donating to our work here in Peru. I included links below the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.